Do I need to remove all furniture before the clean?
No, you don't need to remove furniture, and in most cases we clean around or under existing pieces as part of our standard service. Whether your home is fully furnished, lived in, partially styled, staged professionally, completely empty, we tailor the clean to suit. Here's how we work with different layouts. For occupied homes, we clean under and around furniture where accessible. For styled properties, we clean gently around decor and props. For empty homes, we go deep, every drawer, shelf, skirting board, and corner. We're trained to protect your belongings while getting every visible and high-impact area spotless. If you do want furniture or large items moved, like beds, couches, white goods, just let us know in advance. We may be able to assist or recommend removal help if needed. Your furniture is part of the story your listing tells. We'll make sure it all looks camera ready.